Welcome to this tutorial on how to publish a course on Teachable. Teachable is a popular platform for creating and selling online courses. In this guide we will walk you through the steps to publish your course on Teachable. First, you need to create a Teachable account and set up your school. Your school is the main hub for all your courses and is where students will access your content. To create a school, click on the Schools tab and then click on New School. Enter your school name and subdomain and click Create School. Next, create a new course by clicking on the Courses tab and then clicking on New Course. Enter your course title and description and click Create Course. This will take you to the course editor where you can add your course content. To add content to your course, click on the Lessons tab and then click on New Lesson. You can add text, video, and image content to your lessons. You can also add quizzes and assignments to test your students' knowledge. Once you have added all your content, you need to set your course pricing and currency. You can offer free courses or paid courses, and you can also offer discounts and promotions. To set your pricing, click on the Pricing tab and enter your price and currency. Before you publish your course, you need to set up your sales page. Your sales page is where potential students will go to learn more about your course and buy it. To set up your sales page, click on the Sales Page tab and add a title, description, and image. Finally, to publish your course, click on the Publish tab and then click on Publish Course. This will make your course live and available to the public. You can also integrate your course with email marketing and affiliate marketing tools to promote it. Best practices for publishing a course on Teachable include creating high-quality content, setting competitive pricing, and promoting your course through social media and email marketing. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully publish a course on Teachable and start selling it to students.